So this is the lovely pasta that arrived on my doorstep today. We only ordered like 2 days ago, so I'm quite surprised it came so quick. It seems to be 24-hour postage with Royal Mail. There is Daddy over there with the baby. Hello.
Baby. Hungry baby.
So we're just gonna show you inside here quickly. So I opened it just to make sure everything was here, and it is. So this just seems to be some padding, which didn't really arrive cold, which I thought it would, but it did say on something in there that it's okay if it doesn't arrive cold. So these were free. So these came free with first order. So these are like tiramisus. Now I hate tiramisus, and they do seem to be a little bit sticky. So they've kind of leaked a little bit, but they look good. I hate coffee, so I'm not going to even be looking at these. But yeah, they look like they. I know they're a bit messy looking, but they look like they might be nice. What do you think, Stuart?
I like tiramisu.
Yeah, so he's gonna eat those.
I'm eating those.
They are a little bit sticky, but I mean they're well packaged. This is just your menu, and it changes every week, I think. So there's gonna be different recipes every week. I think you have some that are always in it, and then some that are added weekly. So it tells you how to cook it and everything. So it looks like you just literally boil it up and put some sauce on it. So it seems simple enough, which is good. That's what we want. So then this is the one I picked, which was the, I'm not going to try to pronounce these things, but it's basically basil pesto pasta. And it's got all the ingredients, which is good there. This is the pasta that came with it. So these are meant to be one portions, but I think what I'm going to do is split them and do chicken with them, because I like to have quite a lot of protein with my meal and less pasta. So I think I'm going to like put chicken or something with these and split this between two. So then with those two, you also get, where is it now, because I've seen it in a minute, you also get a little sprinkle of cheese as well, which is quite cute. I wish there was more cheese because I love cheese, but that's a personal preference. So that's one meal. I think it was about £7. So you can pick what meals you want, and they're between, like there's some at £6, there's some at £7, there's some at £8, just really depends what you want. This was the second meal, so there's the name of it, all the ingredients, and it looks like a nice portion of sauce there. I think what I'm gonna do with this one is maybe chicken on the side, and then maybe some tomatoes, just to keep it like be a bit more healthier. Again, I'll split between two. That's the pasta. It looks really good. It's really fresh. It's all fresh pasta. And then again, you've got your little single portion of cheese that goes on top of that. So these were more free things. So I got the tiramisu. This wasn't meant to be included, but it's here, so happy days. And a little gin set free, and then it's like a little charcuterie meat board at the end. So this wasn't listed, but look, I'm really looking forward to that. I might have that soon, actually. You probably won't see that in the rest of the video. I'll keep that to the end. And you got a little charcuterie board, which is really cute. And as you can see there, it has what is on it: salami, spiced loin, and King Peter ham. So that was free for signing up. And then this little gin set is it's just so cute. How gorgeous is that? It tells you how to make it. And then it has all your little gins and your tonic water. And then what I thought was a really cute touch here, I'm not going to open this with one hand. Give me a second. Yeah, you've got your little, look at this. Sure, how fancy is that?
Oh wow.
It smells so good. So there's two different ones. So I'll show you pictures and videos. So there's a grapefruit one and there's an orange one. That's cool. So we're gonna have to try that because that looks really bougie. Yeah, we'll show you all how it looks made up. I didn't film our reaction to the meal because we just wanted to share our dinner together, but it was fantastic. It was absolutely beautiful. The meats was my favourite part, which you can actually buy separately. I think it's about £8, and the pasta was beautifully cooked. I would really recommend this box. What are we cheersing? Cheers to Mason and Camden, who's currently in a box there. He didn't want Italian food tonight. had too much pasta, so Stuart's so I'm gonna try some. I just wait until his like face is full of pasta before I ask him what he thinks. My little baby. Oh, he's so cute. Hello, baby. Okay, back to Stuart. What do you think about the pasta?
It's really nice.
Really nice.
I really like it.
What's your favourite part?
Pasta. It is. It's really nice, isn't it?
But I really liked it. It was really good. I had far too much. I had a load of plate, and then I give it to him. So I do think separating the meals works really well. Like you're getting 2 meals out of the one, and you just add salad or protein. There's obviously gonna be less calories as well, which is good if you're a little bit more conscious that way. But I'm definitely going to keep getting this box, and it's a really nice treat. It tastes just like a restaurant, which is what you want when you're paying this price. Like it's £7 a meal, but I'm cutting it in 2, so it's actually quite a good price if you do cut it up like that. If not, £7 a good price to have restaurant quality food. So thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye.